It's early August, and here in North London at least, we've had a pretty good summer so far. May and June were exceptionally dry and hot, and I watered my gardens and my big fig tree generously. The temperature has come down a bit, and it is stable in the mid to upper 20s Celsius. For many fig varieties, this is the time when the fruits start to ripen with some regularity, and my F1 tree is in full production. In my last video, I demonstrated how to make a fig fruit picker. This is ideal for picking the figs high up in the tree. Now, my F1 tree is over 5 meters tall, and this means the figs at the very top of the tree are too high up for me to reach, even with my fig picker. So those ripe figs, I can do nothing more to reach, and so they are left for the birds. Which brings me to a useful model. If you think of your fruit tree in 4 heights. Number 1, high out of reach. Number 2, high within reach with a fruit picker. Number 3, medium, also within reach with a fruit picker. And 4, the low-hanging fruit, which are within reach by hand. So my fruit picker is ideal for the figs ripening high up in the tree that are within reach, roughly 2 to 4 meters. The low-hanging fruit, which you can see me picking here, are at a height we wish all our ripe fruit would be, which would make life so much easier. But what about those fruits ripening which are at the medium height, within reach with the fruit picker, yes, but which are just out of reach by hand? Well, now we have to add an additional consideration, that of the quality of the fruit and picking them at just the right time. With the figs that are high up and need to be picked with the fruit picker, they are quite a long way away, and it is difficult to tell if they are actually ripe or how ripe they might be. With low-hanging fruit, it is easy to see them up close and to squeeze them to see if they have softened, an indicator that they are ripe. So really, you are making a quality judgment on how ripe the fruit is before you pick it, because you want to pick the figs when they are as ripe as you like them so that you can enjoy them. So now, getting back to the figs ripening at the medium height, sure, you can just pick them with the picker, but you might miss out on holding off for an additional day or two while they ripen more, if only you could check them first. That's where this tool comes in. It's a broom. This allows me to hook a branch with a ripening fig on it to pull it down to a height where I can reach it, so I can decide whether to pick it now or leave it for another day or two. For figs ripening on longer branches with some give in them, this is an easily achievable strategy and means you can assess the quality of your ripening figs at the medium height, roughly 2 to almost 3 meters up. Unfortunately, I don't have 3 hands to be able to video the full demo, but here you can see I managed to get these 2 ripe figs with the aid of my trusty broom. By the way, I've had this one broom for 25 years. I've only had to change the head 3 times and the pole twice.
How the hell can it be the same bloody broom?
In another of my fig tree videos, which has had over 14,000 views, I give another top tip on how to ensure your fig yield by tying up your low-hanging figs in plastic carrier bags. And I encourage you to watch that video too, so you can understand why it is useful to do this. All of these tips together help to ensure both the quality and the quantity of produce you can get from your fig tree. My F1 fig tree is currently producing an average of 1 kilogram of ripe figs per day, a huge amount of fruit, and I'm enjoying every single one of them. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.